Hey Utah, recognize this road? Or maybe these switchbacks? Yeah, getting stuck behind semis or campers on your way to Flaming Gorge isn't exactly the vacation vibes you had in mind. Well, guess what? The Utah Department of Transportation is making major improvements to this stretch of US-191. Here's the current road. It's got hairpin curves and steep grades that can be tough to navigate. And here's how we're going to fix it. We're talking longer, sweeping curves, climbing lanes, a new emergency truck ramp, and optimized grades to improve driver safety and efficiency. So, how do we get there? Well, it's a massive team effort, from mining and moving earth to pounding and compacting soil, and eventually paving and striping. And it's not just UDOT making it happen. Simplot, located near US 191, played a huge role, partnering with UDOT to move more than 10 million cubic yards of dirt to build the new highway embankment. Even more impressive, they did it in just 2 years, saving the state in time and cost. All this work will help you get to where you're going much safer and with less stress, and more time to enjoy the views.
Having those switchbacks gone is going to eliminate a lot of accidents. Many of those are actually big rigs.
So that's safer for truckers, easier for tourists, better for you, and yeah, prettier too.
You're able to enjoy and actually see the beauty that is of this canyon.
New road, new views, same destination. Just a whole lot smoother getting there. And this? Oh, we're just getting started. Stay tuned as UDOT continues its mission of keeping Utah moving.